Son Angelo is 5 years old, a black bay gelding and catalog number 18. He's by Sandro hit Florestan 1, Don Davidoff and Sandro. The son of Sandro hit, who has already been well trained, is entering the auction stage in Münster-Handorf. A good basic quality and a balanced interior makes Son Angelo a highly interesting dressage horse. The Grand Prix successful Sir Davidoff by Sir Donnerhall 1 is a progeny of the grandmother. Die Sandro OLD by De Niro, Grand Prix horse of Diana Porsche of the third generation.